In this video, we're going to find the vertex, focus, and directrix of a parabola, given its equation. So find the vertex, focus, and directrix of the following parabola and graph the equation. The vertex here is going to be at 0, 0, since it's x minus nothing and y minus nothing here. The focus is going to be at, so it's negative, it's opening down because it's an x squared. So this is going to be 0 and then negative or 4 times a negative 8 is a negative 32. So this is 0, negative 8. And the equation of the directrix is going to be in the opposite direction of that. It's going to be y equals 8. So we have y equals 8 up here. And we have 0, 0. And focus is at 0, negative 8. And these are by force. So 8 is there. And then let's see here, points that are going to be on the directrix there when y is negative 8. So that is a negative 4 times a 64. And that gives us 2 times 8x equals plus or minus 16. So we have negative 16, negative 8, and 16, negative 8, and it goes like so. It shouldn't be so pointy, but you get the idea that it's a parabola like that, and your graphing tool will get that pretty much perfect. All right, now this is a y squared, and it's going to open to the left since it has a negative a value. It's got an a of negative 1. Vertex is at 0, 0. Focus is at x is negative 1, y is 0. So negative 1, 0. Vertex at 0, 0. And directrix is going to be at x equals 1. And when x is negative 1, y squared equals 4. So negative 1, 2, and negative 1, negative 2. And it's going to open like that. And you can carry it out further. Your graphing tool will help you do that. And for number 3, have a vertex at negative 2, 3. And the this is y squared, and it's positive, so it's opening to the right. And we're going 1 in that direction. So this is going to be negative 1, 3. So negative 2, 3 is the vertex, and negative 1, 3 is my focus. And at negative 1, this is going to be y minus 3 equals plus or minus 2. Y equals 3 plus or minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1, or 3 plus 2 is 5. So the points on the lattice rectum are going to be when x is negative 1, y is 1, or y is 5. It's going to look like that, and like that. Again, your graphing tool will make that perfect. The directrix is going to be 1 to the left instead of 1 to the right, so that's going to be x equals a -3. Now we're going to complete the square, and the y is squared here, so it's going to be on the left-hand side. Then this is -4x minus 4 over here. And then this is going to be half of this number squared. So y minus 2 squared equals a -4x. And this means that the vertex is at 0, 2. And my a value here is -1, meaning that my focus is going to be at -1, 2, 0, 2, and that -1, 2, vertex and focus. And then when x is -1, that's going to give me that y minus 2 squared is equal to 4. Y minus 2 equals plus or minus 2. Y equals 2 plus or minus 2. So y equals 0 or y equals 4. And that's when x is -1. So we have -1, 0, and -1, 4 are going to be on the lattice rectum there. And again, we had the vertex was at 0, 2. The focus was at -1, 2. And the equation of the directrix is going to be x equals a +1. All right, last one for this video. I'm going to have x squared plus 8x plus some space equals 4y minus 8. Half of the middle number squared is going to be 16. So x plus 4 squared equals 4y plus 8. Plus 4 squared equals 4 times y plus 2. And so a equals a +1. Vertex is going to be at -4, -2. And we're moving 1 in the positive y direction. So that's going to be -4, -1 for my focus. -4, -2, -4, -1, vertex focus. And when y is -1, then we have x plus 4 squared equals 4. X plus 4 equals plus or minus 2. Y equals -1. And then this is x equals -4 plus or minus 2. X equals -6 or x equals -2. So -6, -1, -2, -1, and become like this. No, this should be opening up. So -6 on x, and then this should be this. -6 here, and then -2 is here. We should be opening up like this. All right. And then the directrix is going to be 1 below. So that's going to be y equals a -3. That's it for this video. And we'll come back next time and we'll talk a little bit more about 9.2. See you for the next video.